Hello there! If you've forgotten your Snapchat username and password, don't worry, I've got you covered. Follow these steps to retrieve them. Open your browser and go to google.com. Tap on your profile icon in the top right corner. Select Manage your Google account, swipe to Security and scroll down. Tap on Password Manager. Look for Snapchat in the list. Tap on Snapchat and you will find your account's password and username. And now you can copy the username and password and use them to log into your Snapchat account. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments, and thank you for watching.